How to fix Zoom can't see myself problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you how you can fix Zoom can't see myself problem. Okay, so guys, if you are unable to see yourself on the Zoom, then guys, watch this video. Okay, first I'll give you the setting today. Okay, today I'll first give you the setting, how you can turn on the video, how you can flip up the camera, and how you can see up yourself in Zoom meeting. So if you want to know, then watch the video till the end. So guys, after setting, okay, we are going to do the solution as well. So watch the solution as well and fix your problem permanently. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now let's begin the tutorial. So at first guys, what we have to do is, okay, so as I have told you that I'll show you the setting at first. So for that you have to go to your Zoom. Okay, and then guys, go to setting, go to meeting, and then here you can see always turn off my video. If this setting is enabled, then guys you have to disable it. Okay, and enable this setting, mirror my video. Okay, you have to enable it, and then guys go to meeting, and then if you are joining the meeting, then guys make sure to enable this option. Okay, turn off my video. If your turn off my video setting is enabled, then you have to disable it and you can see yourself. Okay, and guys, if you are joining, I mean if you are creating the meeting or if you are going to start a meeting, then always tap on video on. Okay, you have to tap on the video on, then guys you can see yourself. So I'll turn off the video first, and guys, before going there, I'll try. Okay, I'll turn on my brush. Now click on the start meeting. Okay, so we'll start the meeting, and in the meeting I'll show you. If you are already in meeting and if you cannot see yourself, then guys there is also one more setting to do. Okay, so just wait and watch, I'll show you. So guys, as you can see, we have started the meeting and we are in meeting. Okay, so the first thing, if you cannot see yourself and if you can see only your Zoom profile picture or you can see the default picture, then guys you have to tap here on the start video. Okay, if it is red mark, then guys your video is turned off. Okay, so you have to turn on the video. Okay, first turn on the video, and guys flip your camera. Okay, from here you can flip up your camera front and back. So flip your camera and you can see yourself, that's it. Okay, so I think this is front camera, as you can see. Okay, this is the front camera. So from here you can enable and disable the front camera. Okay, I mean you can flip up the camera from here. So now it switched to back camera, and now if you tap again you can see the front camera, that's it. Okay, so if you use this feature, okay, if you block your video, then guys you cannot see yourself. Okay, you cannot see yourself. So always turn on your video if you want to see yourself on the meeting, that's it. Okay, so this is how you can go for the set. Now time for the solution. So we have done the setting part, now we have to do the solution. So first, update your application. Okay, first you have to update the application. If you still facing the same problem, update your application and then go back to Zoom, check it out. If the problem get fixed, it's great, your job is done. And if you are still facing the same problem, you have to go to your setting. Okay, go to your setting and make sure to have a good internet connection. If you have an internet problem also, you will face the problem. So refresh your networks and all. Okay, restart your device, and then guys what you need to do is you have to go to your apps and then go to manage apps. So here you may find manage apps, install apps, or app manager. You just have to go there, and then guys you have to search for the Zoom meeting. Okay, and then you have to do the solution. So now it has been opened, so you have to scroll down and then find out your Zoom, and after that guys you have to force stop the application, clear the data of your application. Okay, so as you can see, clear up the data, and then guys go to app permissions, allow the permissions. Okay, especially your camera option, you have to allow the camera also. Now go back and search for the camera. So now go to camera, and then guys you have to force the application and then clear up the data. So clear the data of your camera, and then guys go to permissions, allow the permissions, and after that you have to restart your mobile. Okay, so after restarting your mobile, go to Zoom, relog in it, problem will be solved. Okay, that's it. So this is how you can do the setting, this is how you can do the solution also. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.